One day I'll hit all the drops on this trail. I'm feeling good about right now.
I think I know what I'm gonna call this video.
Yeah?
When a blue rider does black trails. Wait, no, it's heavy. Tree. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit.
My leg is getting pumped.
Oh.
That was gnarly.
Good God. No way I would do that. That's...
See, the lady that took it last time went this way, and I was like,
Yeah,
I like
dude.
panicked last second, went up here,
Ooh.
and then ran out of momentum.
Yeah, that's worse. That's a big gap. I didn't see what it was.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. It's gonna be a... Jesus fuck! I did not expect that. Oh. No braking. I broke. Brakes. Oh, that was a big gap. Whoa!
Drops in a row, like, holy smokes.
I landed way farther down in that first one than I thought, so I barely stopped for that second one.
Yeah.
Whew. Stop my right foot from shaking. Whoa, went really high on that. Ah, my old nemesis. but I'm better and have a better bike. Sounds like they did some work on these trails. Did you go straight? Ha. That's the mother scooter that got me last time. I'm trying to go straight there. Mine was ready. Body is another question. Arm back up. Nope, this was it. Oh, that was not a good sound. Hi. Figured. Whee!